What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm up here on a rooftop. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 trains we've put on this commercial building. And we had another commercial customer call us right across the street from them, or right across, sorry, the building from them, and that they want a quote to do trains, but they've had this brand recently installed 2 years ago. It's called Daikin. I know they also make mini splits and they own Goodman. So they had a couple of these made or installed, obviously by another company, because we stopped installing these. We only installed them for a brief period and we dropped the line because we had horrible experience with their quality and their service. They were breaking down shortly after installation, and we were waiting way too long for parts, so we dropped them very quickly. And that leaves the question, what experience have y'all had with this particular brand? What do you guys think? Are they a bad quality unit, or is it just you just have bad luck with them in particular? Well, anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm really interested in knowing if there was people that really like these, because, you know, that'd be interesting. I kind of want to know, you know, curious. All right, y'all. Well, anyways, the ones we're going to be replacing, if they go with us, are that one, and that one. And we will be doing, that's right, trains, or we can also do day and night. That's also a brand that we like for commercial buildings. But that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.